Presenting the 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include front tow hooks, roof rails, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. Inside you'll find adjustable lumbar seats, leather seats, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, memory seats, automatic climate control, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side airbags. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."